Assalamu alaikum friends. I hope you will be fine. In this video I will tell you how can you add bio in your Facebook profile. If you want to add bio about yourself in Facebook profile, then watch this video. So let's start the video. As you know, bio is short description about yourself. You can add contact information, hashtags, emojis, or website URL, etc. Look here, this text works at YouTube. It's a bio about myself in Facebook profile. And now I am going to tell you how can you edit this bio. It's very simple. Go to your profile. When you go your profile, there will be option edit public details. Select it. When you select it, you will be see all edits about your profile like profile picture, cover photo, bio details. Here select bio and then select edit bio. Here you can edit a short description about yourself, or you can add here your contact information. Anything you want to add here in your Facebook profile bio. So I am just typing here. I wrote just a simple line that represent my work, and so it will be show in bio section. If you want to add stylish bio about yourself in Facebook profile, then you have to search it on Google. Search stylish bio for Facebook. You can see various stylish bio about Facebook and copy it from website and paste in Facebook. Now I am going to save. Now I will be check it how it looks. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Take care.